Good day everyone. We are delighted to introduce the launch of our latest innovation, the Machine Maintenance Module. Designed to optimize and automate your machine maintenance processes, this module brings efficiency, reliability, and ease to your operations. Let's explore how it works and its key features. The foundation of our module is the machine maintenance template. Start by defining your maintenance process through parameters such as temperature, pressure, or lubrication levels. Assign appropriate parameter types, like numeric, range, or Boolean, and set checking options to define pass or fail criteria. Once your template is complete, save it for use across all relevant machines. Once templates are ready, assign them to individual machines. Define a maintenance frequency that aligns with your operational needs. Based on this frequency, the system automatically generates a maintenance schedule, ensuring no tasks are overlooked. To review tasks, head to the machine maintenance screen. Here, you'll find all scheduled maintenance records marked with the status, planned, categorized by date and frequency for easy reference. When tasks are ready to be allocated, click on Assign User. Select the responsible employee from the list, adjust the date if needed, and save the changes. The task status will now change from planned to assigned, clearly indicating responsibility. Assigned users log in and navigate to the Machine Maintenance Perform menu. By selecting Perform Maintenance, they can begin the task. For each parameter, users can input values, mark checkpoints, and add custom remarks before saving the record. During maintenance, users may identify issues requiring further attention. By clicking Add Corrective Actions, they can document necessary follow-ups. Specify the responsible user, due dates, and include any relevant attachments or images for clarity. For maintenance requiring spare parts, use the Request Spares feature. Select the required items from the inventory, specify the quantities, and submit the request. This ensures timely availability of parts. Once a task is completed, users save the record. These records move to the Machine Maintenance Completed menu, where you can review timelines, parameter details, and recorded times for a comprehensive view. To gain valuable insights, generate maintenance reports. These reports compare planned and recorded times, highlight task assignments, and provide detailed parameter checks, helping you improve operational efficiency. With our machine maintenance module, you can revolutionize your maintenance process. From automated scheduling to comprehensive reporting, this tool empowers your team to maintain peak operational efficiency. Thank you for joining us today, and we are excited to partner with you in achieving excellence.